muted the, I had a sound before 4500, and I muted the half ohm, and it got down.
It did? Oh wow, I like the fur. That's cool.
I still gotta do a lot of stuff to it.
Okay.
But I just got back from Florida. I ain't been able to do anything ever since.
Could you give me a rundown of everything in here real quick and your name?
My name is Cody, and I have a Taramps 5K, MB5K on 4 AGM batteries, 4 EVO 12s, 2500 watt each, 1250 RMS, and yeah, that's about it.
Did you build? Who built the box?
My dad.
Your dad? Okay. Have you metered it? Done any testing on it yet?
I metered it, and it was I metered 157. 150.7.
Okay, 150.7. Nice.
Yeah.
Do you know the specs of the box, like your tunings and where you're peaking or anything like that?
I peak at 25, 30, something like that.
Okay. Are you happy with it?
Oh, I'm really happy with it. Yeah.
Okay.
I just bought that other sub, so it's not broken in yet, but
Yes,
I still play it like it's.
Okay. How's your musical wise? Do you want the door open or closed? Is it better?
Closed with the window up.
Okay. I know some vehicles unload differently, depending on that. I'll put the window up.
I still ain't heard this yet, Cody, since y'all rebuilt.
Oh yes.
It's doing it?
Phone died?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, I'm sorry. Let it charge up some and get more demo footage.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that thing
it's
is
going now.
that thing is really windy.
It gets flexible.
Like it flexes like crazy. So you're tuned fairly low, so it likes the lows.
That was 25.
Wow. That was dude. Your door is not liking that, but it's fun though.
I still got screw in some more bolts on the door panel because it shakes a lot.
Yes, sir.
I think that's what.
Yeah. Anything you can do to brace up the door a little bit? Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Awesome.
All right, here it goes.
What vehicle is this?
Dodge Ram 2500 2010.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, that was a good demo song for sure.
I still gotta get some mids and highs, but other than that,
Yeah.
she's fine.
All right.
I still can't believe I metered 150 with just 3 of them. So I don't know what I'm on. I'm for sure gonna gain about 5 decibels once it gets broken in.
Awesome.
But let's go to YouTube. This is not working.
You're good, man. What made you invert them instead of mounting regular? Just curious.
Honestly, well, number one is just the look.
Yeah.
And number two, I think to be honest, I think it makes it sound a lot better.
Does? Okay. That's a good brace too. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, I just put that in there too.
That helps.
Like, not even a week ago. Let's see what's on. Ooh, that's a good one. All right, let's do this.
You got the air on for him? Because I almost roasted him out over there.
Alright, here we go.
Alright.
They say no.
It's
It's
windy.
pretty windy. Pretty
Yeah.
windy. I have not had a hair trick at all.
You
yet.
haven't?
Uh-uh.
Okay. You want to try?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Hey, Jess. Let me get here. Hey, Jess.
Hey, congratulations.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, appreciate it, man. Thank you. Let me get here real quick for a try to do a hair trick. Hey, Jessica. He wants to try to do a hair trick. Her hair is really long, but you never know what you could do.
Window down.
Yeah.
This one here,
Dude,
I still gotta get that thing. for
it's
it.
shot.
Yeah, it's gone.
This bitch lost all some.
Dude, that thing is hair trickable for sure. She's just got really long hair. That's hard, but dude, I appreciate the demo. What was your name?
Cody.
Cody. All right. Thanks, Cody.
You're welcome.
Where's your? Can I see your alternator, your battery, and your amp and all of that? Yeah, I'd like to see that.
There's one up there, and then there's 3 back here.
All right. Sorry. Nice. What was this wired to?
One. I think it's either half of them or one of them. I can't remember.
What are your subs? Dual 4s, dual 2s?
Dual 4s.
Dual 4s? Okay. So yeah, I think you're at 1 ohm.
I metered I had a sound cube for 4500, and I metered to half ohm, and it got down.
It did? A little bit better than that?
A little bit. Just a little bit.
A little bit? Yes, sir. Awesome. Thanks, man.
Yeah. Well.
Nice to meet you, Cody. Dude, that. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.